Lucian Hrvačani i Patricija Kršić i koreografija My Opium That Makes Me a Fool.
Not that I can't take it, it's just that somehow I think you break it so much beyond repair, like pulling at my hair and poisoning the roots, a gun that never shoots again. And if you leave me now and take him deep within your throne, like you did when you were coming home, then I'll be tonight. So turn and walk away. I've always spoken, said all that I can say. I know that I could kneel and I could cry, and I know that I could show you how I die. But what good would it do? Give the world another fool. So if you're gonna stay, I'll place you high upon a hill. Yes, and with my hands I'll build a tower in your name.